add an external bank account to Chase. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The process to add an external bank account to Chase is quite simple, so make sure to follow each of the steps. Step 1 is to open the Chase app and launch it. Once you have logged in into your account, you can access the transfer option from the home page under the Accounts tab. Swipe left on the checking account. Once that is done, this will reveal three options: pay, transfer, and a menu with three dots. You'll have to tap on transfer. After that, manage the external account. Under the Accounts Transfer tab, tap on Manage External Accounts. If you don't have a Chase checking or saving account, swipe left on the loan and tap on Pay Now. Then swipe left again to tap Pay Now again. On the next screen, locate and tap and add an external account. Search for your external bank by name or choose one of the provided lists. If your bank isn't listed, select Add Account manually. For banks listed, you'll have to agree to the Instant Account Verification Service terms by checking the box. Then tap on Next to proceed. After that, you can log in into your external bank account, select and confirm the account, and you're good to go. However, if you are going for the manual account setup, you will also need routing and account numbers. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.